Hello, my name is Laurence Agenor, and I'm a doctor of physical therapy in New York City, as well as a Pilates and bar instructor. And this is the right way to do a cat-cow. So the cat-cow is a wonderful exercise for mobility and stability, but I see it done the wrong way a lot of the time. So a lot of times I see people doing cat-cows with their ears hunched up to their shoulders. That doesn't allow for full body mobility. You're getting stuck in that thoracic spine and that cervical spine, which prevents you from getting the full benefits of that cat-cow. Another wrong way that I see people perform the cat-cow is by just thrashing their body. Though that seems like fun, again, you're missing out on the mobility and the stability of the cat-cow and the wonderful benefits that that exercise can provide. Another mistake I see is people initiating the movement only from their low back or their lumbar spine. Again, cat-cow is all about full spinal mobility and stability. So really, if you're focusing only on that low back, you're not getting the full benefits of mobilizing and articulating through that entire spine. So now we're going to do it the right way. You always want to make sure that you come onto your hands and knees and have your shoulders stacked on top of your wrists and your hips stacked on top of your knees. From here, initiating the movement from your tailbone, think about sending it back, drawing your belly down, chest down, relaxing your shoulders down your ears, and gently lifting your gaze up. And then from here, think about tucking the hips underneath, rounding the low back first, then the upper back, then your neck, and tucking the chin to the chest. This way, you're getting full spinal mobility, articulating through each vertebrae. Good. Into extension and flexion. Very nice. Good work. And now you're doing it the right way. For more right ways like this, subscribe to Well+Good.